So next up, guys, got a nice chipper here coming in from the local county. So this is a Vermeer 1250 pull behind chipper, diesel motor. Just be a drawbar hitch. Does have electric hookup for the lights. Manual adjust on the spout. But she fires up. Seems to run good and strong, guys. Only showing 600 hours. I'll show you the control panel here. Just kind of give you a good walk around. But I'm here with one of the yard guys. He's gonna fire it up. We'll get you a nice video. Fires right off there. Just rotate. Show you rotate there. The machine hydraulically rotates. We'll engage the clutch here. Wood chips coming out. We'll just feed a piece of wood right in the backside. Video watching it go in. So there's the demo, guys. Vermeer 1250 pull behind chipper. Seems to run real good and should be ready to go to work. So there's the demo. Go at auction time and Old 20 auctions.